Hey guys, welcome to my recipes. Today we'll be making egg sandwiches. They are actually super quick and easy to make and absolutely delicious. So firstly, for the ingredients, we've prepared 4 slices of bread, 20 grams of butter, 2 hard-boiled eggs, 20 grams of mayonnaise, pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. We usually start by making the egg salad. The first step is basically to peel the hard-boiled eggs. If you are interested to know how to make the perfect hard-boiled eggs that just slips out of its shell, you may check out our previous video, which I will link at the end of this video. So please be sure to watch till the end. Now, once we've got the shells out of the way, we need to mash them with a masher or a fork, whichever you have, until it's slightly chunky. Then, add in the mayonnaise. Following with the salt and pepper and stir the mixture slowly but continuously until they are well mixed. Now, we need to divide the mixture into 2 equal portions. If you like, you may also make more and store them in the fridge, which will keep them fresh and last for about 2 to 3 days. Then, moving on to the bread, we'll need to first cream off the side crust of each slice of bread. Of course, this may vary according to preference, but for this case, we like it trim. Next, we'll need to spread a layer of butter on one side of every slice of bread. You may increase the amount of butter as to your likings, or even use a salted or unsalted butter, whichever you prefer. Now, after we've done spreading the butter, it's time for us to spread the egg salad. Place 2 slices of bread with the butter area facing top on the table. Then evenly spread the egg salad across the surface. After that, gently place the other 2 slices of bread on top and press it lightly with your hands. Now, as how most sandwiches go, we'll want to cut it diagonally from the edges into triangles. and your sandwich is ready to be served. Also, I'm using the Kewpie Japanese style mayonnaise in this recipe, but you may use any preferred choice of mayonnaise. So if you like this video, do leave a like or comment and subscribe to our channel.